Hi, we're Staj, and today we're going to be presenting our Zero Stop. This is the itinerary for today's presentation, and it will teach you everything you need to know about our product. Our group has designed Zero Stop, a carbon-neutral bus stop. It measures 6 feet by 3 feet with a maximum height of 8 feet, and it includes special features like a water tank, a sink with a separate filter, and a heating system. And on this slide, you'll see two views of our Cad rendering of the model. The main goal of the Zero Stop is to help Queensville reach its goal of a 70% carbon emissions reduction by 2051. The goal will be reached through three key areas of focus. 1, sanitation in a post-COVID community with the sink. 2, a reduced carbon footprint by running on natural resources done through rainwater collection system and solar panels. And 3, bringing back social relationships within the community with the community wall.
The sides of the bus stop will be made out of solar windows. While maintaining the transparency of the conventional bus stop for safety reasons, the bus stop will also collect solar energies during the daytime. The energy collected from solar windows is stored inside the bus stop is accessible to anyone at any time. It can be used to light up the bus stop at night, to heat up the bus stop on cold days, and to charge passengers' phones through the charging sockets on the sides of the bench.
So next is the water collection process. So we designed a slanted roof so we can collect rainwater and reuse them for our sink to help with the water crisis. We averaged out the precipitation in East Gillenbury and found out that it has a daily average precipitation of around 2.174 millimeters. And after further calculations, the Zero Stop can collect around 8.09 liters of water a day.
The water is then stored in our water tank, which holds up to 100 gallons.
The rainwater Zero Stop collects will also be filtered with a compact system to ensure it is safe and clean to use. This will be further explained on the next slide.
Due to COVID-19, the public transportation industry has been hit hard. With the need for sanitation at an extreme, the inclusion of a sink at the Zero Stop will help people feel safer using public transportation and reduce everyone's carbon footprint. For our sink, it is stainless steel and has a foot pedal pump for sanitary purposes. On top of this, 1 gallon is expected for one person to use when washing their hands, and our sink supplies 100 gallons in our tank. Next is our heating. So we are using Solaria heaters, which are used in transits, shelters, and open air waiting areas to keep transitors warm. It uses infrared technology, and it covers 64 square feet. It has a motion sensor and automatic control for people who are walking in and out. They can get heating.
So the filtration system we're going to be using is Rainmaster from WaterPure. It is a 3-stage self-cleaning water filter system that is ideal for well water, rain catchment, RVs, and home use. There are 3 filtering stages which can filter out particles like sand, rust, dust, chlorine, pesticides, heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and more. Furthermore, the system can be connected directly to the main water supply, which comes from the roof. And the main reason why we chose this system over others is because this system is designed to be very space efficient, so not a lot of area is wasted for the filtering, as bus stops can be crowded sometimes.
Next is our community wall, which will increase community dynamics and diversity. In our vertical garden, it will compensate for the land that is taken by the bus stop. Wall gardens will be grown on the wired mesh, and this is becoming increasingly popular as decor. And it will also create a pleasant waiting experience for people waiting for their bus.
The wire mesh panel on the outside walls of the Zero Stop is also designed for the community to showcase their culture and art, which promotes engagement and also represents multiculturalism in Canada. For example, during Chinese New Year, the wall can be decorated with dragons, and you can hang with lamps during Diwali. And that is it for our presentation. Thank you for listening.